To fix AI Wallpaper not working in Pixel 8a, start in the settings and then select Apps near the top. We are going to select See All Apps. Then tap the triple dots and I want you to enable Show System. Now we're going to tap the search and we're going to first search for AI Wallpaper and tap on AI Wallpaper. Stop AI Wallpaper, then go into Storage and Cache and clear the storage for AI Wallpaper. Then we're going to search for Wallpaper and we're going to scroll down and we're looking for a Wallpaper and Style. Tap on this one and stop Wallpaper and Style. Then go into Storage and Cache and clear the storage for this. Now close out of settings, reopen settings and try again.